Hello everyone, my name is Tavaneshwaran, son of Devandiran from DKM5D. Our final year project is stair climbing trolley, and our supervisor's name is Inche bin Muhammad Samsudin, and my group name is DKM5D-G8. There are two more members in my group. One is Jeevan Alalaki Sadasivam, and another one is Yuvaniswaran Alalaki Karnanidhi. Moving on with my next slide. Introduction. Our team did stair climbing trolley, and the background for it is stair climbing trolley will be the alternative for transferring heavy loads to upper level floor by hands and by using large amounts of workforce. And second one is it can minimize the workforce and lethargy causes to do this work. And the third one is this invention is also assisted by motor to carry loads upwards in staircase, thus decreases more force to pull it. And the problem statement. Okay, first one is the main reason we made our mind to fulfill this project is to help the user to carry things through stairway in better manner. And the second one is the lack of mechanism to carry out the process involve enormous amount of pain and injuries in longer run. The third one is the duration to carry things through stairway get delayed if the user get tired by continuously transferring objects. And the last one is the facility to transfer heavy loads such as lifts and escalators are invented. Still, many places doesn't have such facility to help people. Okay, the next slide is objective and scope of the project. Okay, first I talk about the objective. Okay, first one is to design the stair climbing trolley. The second one is to develop the body of stair climbing trolley, and the third one is to develop the mechanical drive system. The fourth one is to reduce the manual effects of climbing stairs with loads. The last one is to test the performance of the stair climbing trolley. Moving on to the scope, first one is to analyze the design to improve the efficiency. Second one is to identify the material used for stair climbing trolley. The third one is to analyze the tri-star wheel, and the last one is to evaluate the performance of stair climbing trolley. This is my last slide, the literature review. Um, First, lifting objects, loads to store or move to above the ground level is not an easy job, where there is no lifting facility such as conveyor, elevator. In addition to this, most of the buildings doesn't have elevators or escalators. To overcome this problem, human labors are frequently used. Nowadays, labor is becoming costly and time consuming. This problem can be solved if a mechanism that aid to move loads through stairway get invented. The second one is the design and fabricates a new product trolley as multifunction. In addition to this project focuses on the maximum economically beneficial to human being. And the third one is several designs were conceived that would allow a non-industrial trolley over travel over stairs, curbs, or uneven terrains while putting a minimal strain on the user. And to produce a successful product, the other design options must be examined more closely. That's all from me. Thank you. The next slide will be continued by Jeevan.
Hi everyone, my name is Yuwa Analaki Karnanidhi from DKM5T Phuket. So today I'm going to present about methodology of our project. This is our project design of machine, which is staircase climbing trolley. We use AutoCAD to create this design. Next is our project procedure. Firstly, we welded all the steel that are needed to make a frame. Then trowel is fixed in both sides in between with a steel bar for the base part to make it move. It is then attached to the base of the frame. And then motor is attached to the body and wire is connected to it to make the motor work properly. After that, battery is also attached to the body and wire is connected to the motor. Then hand winch is attached to the body to increase the height of the plate, which is attached to the base of the frame. Lastly, we make sure all the wire is connected to every part that makes the trolley move. And then the project is completed. This is our project cost, which is not more than 500. The cost of battery is 45 ringgit and the cost of the motor is 87 ringgit. The tri-wheel is, each of the price is 19 ringgit and two of them equals to 38 ringgit. The frame is didn't cost us anything because we used our recycled item to make the frame. and then the gear chain is about 35 ringgit, and then hand winch is about 80 ringgit, and the gears are each 15 ringgit. We took two of them, which is equals to 30 ringgit. And finally, this is our result of the project. The project is tested with different type of loads and also with different type of material load. It is tested for several times to ensure it's working well or not. The project worked satisfactorily, which is a big success for us and our teammates. That's all from me. The slide will continue by Mr. Jeevan. Thank you very much.
Good morning everyone. So today my name is Jeevan Analaki Sadasiwa. My metric card number is 01DKM 18F1149. So today I will continue my presentation about analysis data. As you all can see over here, these are the diagram for our force analysis data. And these are the force analysis for our stack climbing trolley project. So I'll explain about the symbols that I placed on the diagram. So W1 would be the weight of the object carried, W2 would be the weight of the trolley, RE is the reaction force on one side, F is force applied, RO is the distance of center from center of wheel, and K is the distance between center of wheel and line of action of wheel. We have done these types of upgrade in this project so that we have the maximum stability of basement when load is carried up and down the staircase. Then I will continue with discussion. After some fabrication, we found out few limitations like large noise production and increased stability while moving trolley up and down the staircase. This has been the main thing for this project. Therefore, the wheel frame is adjusted such that the line passing through the midpoint of trolley wheel should pass through the midpoint of the stack. The modified wheel model has been shown as below. And the conclusion in this work, design and development of stair climbing trolley was carried out. The comprises of the following major components, that is battery, motor, and winch, frame, gear chain, and flywheel. Some design parameters such as gear, force, shaft diameter, load, torque, and velocity are calculated. Outcome result for this project is the trolley can carry a quite heavy load staircase. Finally, the purpose design for this project is it can help to reduce people's burden by reducing the effort needed to carry the load staircase. And finally, it's about the reference and credits for this whole project. So you can see these are the reference and credits. And that's all from us. Thank you very much.